think it's enough.
Hello, my good people. Let us welcome to this amazing channel for the Sunday JJ4. If you see this face for first time, and guys, if you don't watch my video and you see this face for first time, go check me out at Sunday JJ4. I have an amazing video, a lot of video. Go check me, subscribe, guys, and tap that button to follow to check my channel every time. And every day I post video for you guys to make sure that my family, my YouTube family to enjoy, guys. So guys, this is amazing video today. Today I'm going to, you see there, I'm going to wash my cloth, and after washing my cloth, I'm going to swim. After swimming, I'm going to bed. Yo, I don't know. Wait, the weather is very bad. It's about to rain, guys, in a village here. You know, here now is a rain season, guys. It's a rain season. So, guys, keep watching this video, and guys, keep sharing my video, keep subscribing, keep like, comment. What have you wishing about me, guys? You know. So, guys, now I'm alone. I don't have my cousin Benito, my friend Isaac, but go check him out, okay? Go check Benito, go check Isaac Mbuya, go check Ashto, go check Bruno. You know, it's one family, guys. Yeah, it's one family. So, guys, continue to watch this video, and I hope you are going to enjoy, and a lot of enjoyment. So, guys, I'm going to show you, when you are the first to see my video, it's about lifestyle in a village, or betting in a village, in a huge river. You know, guys? Yeah, guys. So I'm not alone. I have cameraman here. So I'm going to show you my cameraman. You see Masima. Masima is the man. He is my brother. He's my young brother, guys. So, guys, this is a village. You see? You see? This is a village. Wow. A good, amazing village. You see, guys? If you want to visit me, welcome. I will host you. I will invite you, guys. You know Kenya? You know Africa? Africa, there is a lot of things. You know Kenya is a peaceful country. And I invite you to visit Kenya, guys. Yeah. So, guys, keep watching, keep subscribing, keep share, and don't forget about my project. I'm continuing to my project. Either next week I will start to building. Yeah, already my fundi. How I can call the fundi? Already or how I can call the fundi. What is the name of fundi, guys? So yeah, very soon, like next week, I'm going to start. The iron sheet already I have an iron sheet already. Yeah, it's the problem is the money that I'm going to pay the fund in local language, the fund, the carpenter, yeah, the masonry, yeah. So, guys, keep supporting me, if you wish to supporting Sunday JJ4. I'm going to put my number here, down there, the screen down there. Tap that, take that number, text me in WhatsApp. When you want something, I will answer you. Don't forget to ask any question. Ask me any question that you want to feel to asking Sunday JJ for. I was supposed to do what you are going to ask me. Okay? So, guys, you see, I'm around the liver. You see that Masima, guys. Masima, he there. And, guys, keep watching this video, and I hope that you are going to enjoy. Keep watching, and thank you for watching until this part. Yeah, thank you for watching until this part, guys. Yeah, guys, guys, you see there, is around the liver, guys. Now I tell you that in the last time that water is very a lot. I tell you that the lane has been lane now, and it's all about lane season, guys. You see, water is very very, very, very a lot. Mainly a lot. Okay. So guys, I'm going to show you how I can wash my cloth around the locks of the liver, yeah. And after that, I'm going to swim. I'm not swimming a lot, but I tell you that it's all about to lane. You see, guys, it's all about to lane in a village. There's some things. Hey, it's it's like you see, guys, it's all about to lane. You see. So Masima, come, bro, come, bro. Say hi, say hi.
Hi,
What's your name, bro?
it's Benson Masi.
Your name is Benson Masima. Yeah, her name is Benson Masima. Is very young, but you know how to take a camera, guys. Eh? You know how to take a camera or a phone. So, guys, that's why I love Masima to take me a camera because I teach her how to record someone when someone do the video. He record me good, and I love Masima to recording me, guys. Eh? That's why that's why I tell you that's why I tell you that Masima is very, very hard to take a camera, and I will support to I support Masima to finish the school to do her the photographer, guys, the photographer, the recorder. So guys, yeah, keep watching. You see, guys, you see the place. That is not Wajakusi. This is River Migori. It's very, very many, it's very, very big river, huge river, dangerous river. There's a lot of things here, bro. For now, for now, I must be careful because the crocodile are around. I can attack by crocodile, by snake. So guys, I must be careful for when I'm going to swim, when I'm going to take bait, when I'm going to watch my cloth. So guys, continue to watch, and thank you for watching until this part, and I hope that you are going to enjoy. You are going to finish this video, to comment what have you wishing about this video, guys. Yeah, this is amazing for you, the people from USA. Thank you so much for love and support. The people from Italy, thank you. France, Italy, yeah, Mexico, South Africa. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I hope that I'm going to make you happy, to teach you something in a village. That's why I'm doing this video. And every day, every time, I tell you that when you want to face Kenya, I will supposed to post you so much, guys. Okay? So, guys, let's go. Watch this video until the end, guys. So guys, if you see there, this is the logs, this is the stone, a big stone, guys. Yeah, I don't know when this stone is growing. When I'm still young, yeah, when I'm still young, guys, I don't see any logs here. But when I'm grown up, when I come to the river to swim, the rocks will be will be grown, will be pig up, will be pig, like big. So I don't know this locks. I don't know this locks is grown up. No, let me see in the comment section that this locks is very. When I'm young, I'm coming the liver, the locks is like this. You see, the locks is like this one. But you see now is the big. You see, now is the big. I don't know the locks grown up. Yeah. So tell me in the comment section that log mini stones will be grown up or yeah, I don't know. That things was disturbing me so much. I don't know. But tell me in the comment section. These logs will be going will they going high or will be going chini, okay? So let's go, guys. Let's go. You know, I'm going to do faster because the lane has been laying. You see, the lane has been laying, guys, already. So let me do this video, and thank you for watching until part. Continue to watching this video and this amazing video, and comment what have you wishing about this video so much, guys. Okay, let me go. Let's go, guys. Masimo. Wakota polisi no more. Come pure buio.
Hmm.
Chega o fim, sim. Wow, 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 wow. Let me do faster, guys. The rain has been laying, guys. I'm going to do faster. That's why I tell you that in a, now in a village is a rain season, so I must be careful. I don't have any umbrella, so that's why I do faster, guys. Because I have my phone, I have here my phone, yeah, and you know lane is very dangerous for the phone. I don't give a damn. Kaca mucha hano ke ngad. Kaca mucha hano ke ngad. Antun itu sini. Oh, di dia Arab yun. Hindi na ako pa.
Inne. 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 Mm. On serait comment Sitka. Rokal.
So guys, you see the lane has been started to lane. So guys, I'm going to end this video. And guys, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video, guys. And the lane has been has been stopped me to do the video, but I'm sorry for that. The next video I will come in the evening, guys. Eh? So guys, let me take my clothes and go home for, yeah, guys. And guys, I hope that you are going to enjoy. And guys, when you are not subscribing, watch until end and comment, guys. Eh? You see, it's about training. See, guys. Yo. Thank God. Stati. Imke chinuti. Awesome. So guys, thank you for watching and subscribe, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.